In this video, we're going to demonstrate how AutoTextMe can leverage line item notes, how you, the administrator, can set these up so your technicians can be as efficient as possible while performing the inspection. Setting up digital inspection notes are very simple. Administrators, you simply go to your admin menu on the upper right, and you choose the DVI Notes Setup option. It's usually the third option on that menu. Click that and you'll be brought into here where you'll see our three types of notes that you can do: global, categorized notes, or itemized. It's important to understand that categorized notes trump global notes. Itemized notes trump categorized notes. If you're using itemized notes for an item, no category notes will bleed in. If you're using categorized notes for any categories, global notes will not creep in. Now, with itemized selected, there's an easy way to add notes. I want to use some notes on the battery condition specifically. I'm going to go ahead and hit the add notes button. You can do it down here or up at the top of the page, and it's automatically going to choose the category if you click on that add notes from this. So the category is battery. The item that I'm looking to input is overall battery condition. I could type my notes randomly right here, or I could use a Google document. I use a lot of these sort of things so I can keep my notes very organized. If I build a sheet later on, I can easily paste these in, and you'll see I have battery condition here. I have a few notes in there. I'm just going to grab those, hit Control C for copy, move back over to this page, make sure I have the right item selected. I'm going to paste them in. You might be thinking, well, these aren't all red notes. That's okay. I'm going to put them all in red anyways, and I'm going to hit Add Type Ahead. And you'll see as I hit Add, all of my notes show up here. They're highlighted green, so you can see the ones you most recently input, and I can put whatever color indicator I need. If this is a yellow note, when this is a green note, I can make those indicators, and I can leave all these other ones red. And that's it. I can move on over to my DVI sheet now. If we go down to our battery category, we can go to our battery condition, and we can hit Add Notes. You'll see that this is predefined notes from itemized. Since we have an itemized note, it's not going to be category or global. And here's all of those notes. There's the one green, there's the yellow, and all the rest are red. And we can pick whichever one corresponds to the condition that we need, counting on that to select this color, and filtering further our recommendation of what the technician should choose as the job that will address this item. This makes it point-click very fast for our techs. I hope you found this video very helpful and informative. If you need any further assistance on this, look further into the training page and we'll have some more bullet points for you that you can follow along. Thanks for watching.